ERP we can achieve better customer service, enhanced business reporting, business analytics, business process improvements, ensured regulatory compliance, improved traceability, effective supply chain, reduction of excess inventory, cost savings, scalability and modularity, large customization and integration possibilities. Better customer service. The customer relationship management system ensures that communication and collaboration with customer is enhanced at all stages of sales cycle. Enhanced business reporting. Effortlessly generate reports and analytics with relevant business information. Analyze and compare different functions across multiple departments. Recognize operational strengths and establish more practical procedures. Business analytics. Have great benefits from analytical insights into your business for improved and data-backed decision-making. Analytics help recognize business trends and set up a business strategy to make the most from these scenarios. Business process improvements. Streamline and automate various business processes across all departments with ERP. Ensured regulatory compliance. All the rules and regulations and reporting applicable for the company or organization can be set up. Improve traceability. Easily improve ability to track by consolidating all the information in a single platform. More effective supply chain. Supply chain management ensures high levels of material and service availability. Reduction of excess inventory. The stock management in ERP system keeps tab on the inventory. Cost savings. Automation of processes like communication, sharing of reports, invoice generation, scheduling, tracking of orders and sales leads to cost saving. Scalability and modularity. ERP gives you the power to grow and extend your systems across businesses, locations and teams. Large customization and integration possibilities. To support changing organization or business needs, ERP can be customized and value add-ons can be adopted.